Alright, so check it out. The road shower is on the roof and ready for testing. In today's video, I want to test the flexible shower head because in the last video I did, it seemed like it was a lot more efficient. So I theorized that you're going to get a shower that's maybe twice as long out of this thing as you do with the hose. If you're joining us for the very first time and you have no idea what a road shower is, please reference my video from a few weeks ago. It's called Road Shower 4 Review. I'll put a link to it in the description. And if you already saw that video, good job. Thanks for making it back here. So in the last video, I took the hose, that's usually right here, but I've replaced it for this. So I took the hose off the road shower and I pressurized the thing, put it on full blast, and timed myself to see how long of a shower I could get out of it. And I got over 3 minutes, which is awesome. And then I turned this thing on, and it appeared like it was way more efficient. So I thought, perhaps showering with this thing on the road would give you a long shower. So in this video, I hope to test just that. And so without further ado, let's hop right in and see if my theory is true or false. So the first step is to fill your road shower with water. And once that's done, you want to pressurize it. In the last video, I showed you how to do it with a bike pump using brute force. In this video, let's switch it up and use an electric pump. As you can see, I've pumped it up to about 55 PSI. In order to maintain consistency in this experiment, I'll be pumping it up to roughly 55 PSI every time. I say roughly because this isn't a great pump. It's not super exact, but for the purposes of this test, I think we're gonna be okay. And now we're showering. Oh wow, I just learned something. So for those of you watching, this shower head is adjustable. You can adjust the pressure by fiddling with this knob. That's so freaking cool. And once that's done, I think we're ready to rip. So check it out. The flexible shower head is a lot more efficient. You get 5 minutes and 39 seconds out of it. There's still a little bit of juice left in the shower, but I felt like it wasn't strong enough to really have a good shower, so I stopped counting at that point. Six minutes and 24 seconds. It appears that with the flexible shower head on the road shower, I'm consistently getting readings over 5.5 minutes. So this essentially means that the flexible shower head versus the hose that's attached to the road shower is about twice as efficient. And I'd say that a 6.5 minute shower on the road that's pressurized and warm is pretty darn good. I'm gonna keep playing around with my road showers in the next couple weeks, months, years, and I imagine there's going to be a lot more road shower videos coming out of this guy. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.